I remember hearing one novelist I liked very much describing the translator as being like a dog on the end of a lead. How is this for a metaphor? I think the novelist is holding the other end of the lead. I'm not sure this is a very flattering portrait of our relationship. Anyway, he said, ideally, you keep the translator quite close to you, on a short lead. Sometimes, when there is some kind of obstacle, you have to let the lead out a little bit. Let the dog/translator a little bit more freedom to negotiate their way around it. Of course, sometimes, he said rather darkly, sometimes they get away entirely. It is an intense relationship, to put it mildly. We read our writers with more care than anybody else will, more demandingly, more inquiringly. Why, oh why have you used this comma here? I once wrote to a novelist who asked, you know that scene with the chickens, could they be parrots? And on another occasion, same writer I think, in the description of the hallway, I really want to add a rug. Can I add a rug? I had very good reason.